wall mount basin mixers. These are the electroplating finishes. For this concept, 3 body showers maximum you can use. Mainly used in the commercial areas like hospitality segment, hotel chains. Then instead of doing this manually, we have a thermostatic diverters where we can set a temperature to a fixed degree. Let's say I have given a 38 degree here. You can see here also there is a 38 degree temperature. Okay, that's a human tolerance temperature. You can tolerate up to 40 degrees. So it is locked at 38 degrees. These are all wall mount basin mixers. I'll show you how it is fixed. Over there you can see a basin straight. So we have fixed the wall mount faucets for that. So these are the different design options. Generally you would have seen this in the projects from a table backside of the wash basin. If I place the faucet on the granite, the maintenance on the surface will be more and the space consumption also will be more. You can go for a wall mount faucet. In that hot and cold, only cold is also available. Then we can see a color options here. These are the different color finishes that we have got. When it comes to matte finish like graphite and black, it is a polymer coating, not powder coat. It's polymer. Higher grade of matte finish. Yes. Then these are the electroplating finishes. These gold and that blush gold, it's all PVD finish. And we have got a sensor faucets as well. So sensor faucet mainly used in the commercial areas like hospitality segment, hotel chains. So we use there. In the residential, probably in the dining area, you can recommend the sensor faucets. For this concept, it's called as cloud. Okay, this diode.
This concept?
Yeah, this concept. So for this concept, 3 body showers maximum you can use. But you can use any design. And when it comes to a product, so everything is individually priced and we combine it as a set. So this won't come as a set, we just combine it. So you can customize according to your requirement. Whether you want a ceiling shower, you want a wall shower, you can do it.
What is the maximum temperature?
Maximum 65 degree temperature.
65?
Yes, maximum 65. Ideally, our human body can tolerate up to 38 to 40 degree temperature. That's why we have a lock at 38. So you can go more than 38, 40 also you can go. Or let's say you want to use more hot water for some other activity, not the shower. You can go up to 65 also.
65.
Yes. And this is a system, concealed system. So this has a capacity of 7.2 liters. It has 7.2 liter capacity, 3 liter for the urine and 6 liter for the solid waste. The frame is full frame. It is covered completely. And the WC is fixed. It is fixed to this frame. So in the frame there are 2 nozzles given, as in holes given. One is 7-inch distance, one is 9-inch distance. Let's say your customer might face any issue with the system. If they say no, if anything happens, should I help your customer? But you can strongly tell that these are good space to remove the system and fix it, align it, place it back. Yourself also you can try. You can do. These are all rimless models. So rimless as in there are no